Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and I'm going to take you through automations. And the first one being requesting a sign-off in SharePoint. You may be new to automations, and this is the perfect place for you to start. Automations are great to be able to streamline your workflows and save you valuable time. Our first place we're going to start, like I said, is in SharePoint. In the process to request a sign-off in SharePoint is first you should choose a file in a SharePoint library. If you click the ellipsis for that file, you can scroll down till you find the Automate option and then the Request Sign-Off. When you do that, it will automatically start the process of a Power Automate flow. You will create an instant flow. You will then choose an approver, and then you can send them a message. The last step would then be checking your approvals application. There is a native one inside of Teams where you can check on your approval status and then receive approvals and rejections. Let's go ahead and get started now. So we've opened up the SharePoint library that we are going to be working with today. We have the budget folder. Inside the budget folder is a new marketing budget. And before we can start using this budget, it does need approval. So if you are new to automations or you're wondering where you can get started, this is a great way for your first automation to get started and to use a workflow. I can click on the ellipsis and go down here to Automate, and I can choose the Request Sign Off option. Once you choose that, this opens right here, and this is creating a Power Automate flow. The flow type is instant. Notice it has me signed in to SharePoint, approvals, and notifications. Create flow. I will now choose my approver. I'm going to choose Drew. And then I can add a message. Please review and approve this budget. And I will click to run the flow. And now we can see the sign-off status is pending, and this approval will show up in my Teams. Inside of Teams, there is a native approvals app. If yours is not showing up, you can click on the ellipsis on the sidebar and you can search for approvals, and then you can pin it. As you can see, my final status has been approved, and I can go to my approvals and I can see sent, approved marketing budget right here. If I click on it, I can see that it has been approved and it says that it looks great. It was as easy as that. So you've set up your first automation in SharePoint using a document library. You're automating the sign-off process. You've taken a significant step towards improving your workflow efficiency. I can go back into that SharePoint library, and we can now see that the sign-off status is approved.